The USD/BTC market is not for the faint-hearted. It's a high-stakes game where fortunes are made and lost in the blink of an eye. Today, it's a whirlwind of activity, a vortex of volatile trends and shifting sentiments. The USD/BTC market is a complex ecosystem, teeming with traders, investors, and speculators. It's a world where digital gold meets old-school dollars, where the cutting edge of technology meets the age-old laws of supply and demand. It's a market that's as unpredictable as it is exciting. The USD/BTC market is currently caught in a tug-of-war between bullish and bearish forces. On one hand, the bullish camp is pointing to the increasing mainstream acceptance of Bitcoin, with major corporations and financial institutions starting to embrace the digital currency. This, they argue, will drive demand for Bitcoin, pushing its price higher in relation to the US dollar. On the other hand, the bearish camp is warning of a potential bubble. They point to the rapid price increases of Bitcoin in the past and the subsequent crashes. They argue that the current price of Bitcoin is unsustainable and that a correction is inevitable. The market is also being influenced by geopolitical events. With tensions rising in various parts of the world, many investors are flocking to Bitcoin as a safe haven asset. This is driving up demand for Bitcoin and pushing its price higher in relation to the US dollar. However, it's important to remember that the USD/BTC market is incredibly volatile. Prices can swing wildly in a matter of minutes, and there's no guarantee that the current trends will continue. In conclusion, the USD/BTC market is a fascinating, fast-paced world. It's a market that's driven by a mix of technological innovation, economic fundamentals, and geopolitical events. Whether you're a bullish believer or a bearish skeptic, there's no denying that the USD/BTC market is a place where fortunes can be made and lost. So to recap, the USD/BTC market is currently in a state of flux, with bullish and bearish forces battling it out. The market is being influenced by increasing mainstream acceptance of Bitcoin, warnings of a potential bubble, and geopolitical events. And while the market is incredibly volatile, it's also a place where fortunes can be made and lost. Stay sharp, stay informed, and may your trades be ever in your favor.